Assalamu alaikum friend, I'm Naveed Aziz from Technology Hub. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technology Hub. Today I will teach you how to make a transformerless power supply 5 volt. It can be used in torch, searchlights, LED, batteries, charger, etc. And we will use components like diodes, resistors, capacitors and Zenners. Okay, components are is mentioned here. You can see so inner it's a power plug for your AC supplies, and you can see this is the diagram which we will show you how we can connect these components together and will make a AC to DC output. Okay, first you will draw this diagram in PC board. Okay, look carefully and follow all steps which I perform in this uh, drawing during drawing. Okay, you can see diodes are connected, resistors, capacitors, and this is also is a Zener capacitor. Once we completed this diagram, then we will go for soldering. Okay, it's DC connection, positive, negative. It's called a power supply, and this is for our AC connection. And also, there is two terminal, one for negative and one for positive terminal, AC or DC for both. And now we can take it for as a DC and AC, positive, negative. You can see this diagram is, I draw this diagram and it's ready now for a soldering and components adding here. Let's go to the soldering. Let's have a look how we do it. Okay, first we will add diode components in it. Okay, please follow carefully. Don't skip this video. If you skip the video, then might be your circuit will be lost if you connect wrong component at wrong place. So be carefully, follow all steps. Okay, now we are adding capacitor here, and now we are adding here as a resistors. Okay, and again it's a capacitor adding here, and then this is a zener. Okay, be carefully while soldering. And now it's all components are added here, and now I'll go to for soldering as was. Okay, now soldering procedure is started. Okay, you can see this circuit is ready. Now I'm connecting as a, DC terminal soldering procedure. Now I'm connecting as a AC terminals with connectivity. Oh, it's very useful and it's very cheap in cost. Okay, now AC terminal is connected properly. Now we are going to connect a DC. You can see here it's a positive terminal and it's a negative terminal. And now your circuit is ready. You can see in diagram which we draw a bit before at a page and at PC board. Now we are going to cut an extra PC board from this board. Extra sides edges are now we are going to cut extra edges, and it's very cheap in price. Okay, these all are diodes. Okay, this is AC terminal capacitors, and this is a DC terminal for DC connectivity. Okay, we are it's extra edges. We are going to cut and make it very now it's your circuit is ready. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please watch and subscribe for encouragement our channel and also press bell icon for upcoming and updated videos. Thank you. We'll meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.